Hi, my name is Ms. Bengal Mackey. I am the librarian at the Gloversville High School. I'm here today to offer tutorial to how to sign up for different parts of Family ID website. From the Gloversville site, if you go to the menu drop down, Family ID is located there. First thing you're going to need to do to get started is to click on that information. It's going to require you to fill in certain information. Anything with a red asterisk is required. You are going to need to agree to the terms of service, which you can read right here, and I'm going to click that. Then you are going to create an account. Once you do that, you are going to receive an email that is going to make you have to verify the email address that you've used to set up the account. So once you verify the address, you are ready to go to the programs that you need to set up for. So then you will be able to log in. And there are a couple programs that are required for you to fill out for the Gloversville and Large school districts. If you go to programs, you can type in Gloversville. State is New York. And find, and it's going to list the different programs available. One that you will definitely need to complete is the student emergency update information. As you see, when you enter into that, you're going to want to register. You select which school. In this case, I'm going to select the Gloversville High School. And now it is going to again walk you through different pieces of information that you are going to need to complete for the first time. If this is the first section that you complete, you will need to fill in all of the asterisk information. Okay, this again is for emergency contact information. And as you can see, there are quite a few questions. When you do have it all completed, you can save it and finish it later if you don't have a chance to do it in one sitting. If you do complete it all, then you can hit continue. Okay. Again, if I go to the programs again, another area that we are requesting that gets completed is for Chromebook agreement for the whole and large school district. So you will need to complete one of these for your student to be able to receive a Chromebook for in school and home use. Does have information provided. You're going to want to click register now. Again, you want to select which school is appropriate. I am going to select the high school. I encourage you to read through the information about insurance. That is an option that you need to select either you would like to purchase insurance or you would not. And again, this will show you all the specifics of what that insurance will cover. Now to this next section, you're going to need to fill out this for each of your students enrolled. Since you have already done the if you have already done the medical section, you can go here and you would be able to select your student's name, or if you're adding a student, you can create a new participant. If you are selecting someone who you've already filled out, it will fill in much of the information again for you. You do not need to refill it in. It'll fill it in for you. But you do need to go through and complete all that. And then there are the agreements for different sections, Chromebook care, how to take care of it, the responsibilities of both parents and students. And after you have read through that, you are going to need to agree to each of the signature where you would type in your name. When you are all done with that, you can click continue, or if you are not complete, save it and finish it at another time. Once you have those areas completed, then the district will have the information on file. Hopefully this has been useful in walking you through the different parts that you need to do. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the school. Thank you very much.